Welcome to Skatepark Lessons. I'm JB, and I'll be your personal instructor in this online course. This course was designed to help you understand skateboarding in a step-by-step fashion. It's going to help you progress and get better faster. Whether it's your first day on a skateboard, total beginner, or you've been skateboarding your entire life, I can offer you tips, tricks, and personal techniques to give you a better understanding of skateboarding and make you a better skateboarder. I've been fortunate enough to grow up skateboarding and competing with some of the best guys in the world. Through skateboarding, I've had many incredible journeys and made lifelong friends along the way, and I'd love to share that with you. In 2008, I took a job at California's largest skate park where I successfully ran camps, lessons, and contests for kids and adults of all ages and abilities. I love teaching, helping people, and inspiring people so much that I decided to make it my life mission. Over the years, I've learned techniques to help you increase your progression and also steer you away from things that are going to get you hurt and slow you down. In our series, I will be traveling to some of the best skate spots and parks around the Bay Area and throughout the world. My personal goal is to help you become a better, more versatile skater so you can skate and enjoy some of the incredibly fun features skate parks have to offer. So join me and my crew and some very special guests right here on Skatepark Lessons. If you enjoy these videos and they help you progress, please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button for me so I can continue to make new videos for you.